Good evening, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com with your Monday night evening recap. Okay, so what did we see today? Well, we printed 1694 quarter, made new highs. Uh, you know, I'm hesitant to say more of the same because today, uh, you know, that is a doji, and while the uh, while the Bollinger Bands, and yeah, you can see them there. While the Bollinger Bands are still they're quite a distance away. They're up at 1714, and they're starting to come in a little bit, but we're not quite seeing that curl. They're not gonna curl unless the bears can do, one of a couple of things. So while we had a doji today, you did not see Friday's lows get taken out. You didn't even see them get challenged. You did see new highs. So you've got highs up at 94 quarter, and those highs are being challenged as we speak. We're trading 93 quarter. Globex high currently is 93.75. So the 94 quarter is going to survive the night? Probably not. We'll probably go ahead and print new highs. This is acting like a market that continues to want to go up. You're now getting this pocket between price and the upper band, and everybody is banking on an exhaustion top. And what I mean by an exhaustion top is we're not seeing any big ticks during the day. You're not seeing fear or panic in the tape where you're getting a bunch of ticks over 1,000, over 1,500, over 1,600 that indicate that flush of just abject capitulation that marks kind of an event top. And we got a little bit of that back here on the 85s. You're also not seeing up at 1694 quarter, you're not seeing the kind of extension off of things like the 45-day pivot that get me interested. We're only 50, not quite 51 handles above the 45-day pivot, which is stretched. It's not overbought, but certainly not up in a crazy town area, which is 70 handles above the pivot. So there's more it can do. You start talking about crazy town, 70 handles up at the upper band. That's 20 handles away. So you can see Confluence is setting up at 1714. I'm not sitting here with you guys saying we're going straight up to 1714. I don't think the bulls have the push to do it absent a news event. You're not seeing the bulls just come in, take that morning dip, and just rip it, which is what you saw back here. And frankly, what you saw just about every day through here. They take the morning dip, they buy it, and they just extend. We didn't get that kind of power today. We'll see what tomorrow brings. But if you're shorting this market, you need to be very cautious. Big uptrend, 38% retrace, bounce off the breach of the Bollinger Band, and up to make new highs. That's pretty textbook uptrend activity on a daily chart. So to step in and just say, okay, I'm shorting it right here, and I'm going to throw a bunch of contracts at it, it's a dangerous game that you're playing. I am not swing short. I have no intention of getting swing short unless we break through that upper band and make some kind of an event top. I'm content completely content to miss the first 10% of an exhaustion top in this market when we are sitting. Here's your 200-day exponential moving average, way down here at 1544. So we are 150 handles above the 200-day exponential moving average, which to me is true mean reversion in a market. So I'm completely content to miss the first 10% of a gigantic move lower in the market in order to save myself being down potentially 20 handles as we get up to this upper band. So that's my cautionary note. I'm the furthest thing from a perma bull. Anybody that's followed me knows that. But I think you have to be careful here because we're making new highs every day, and there's nothing on that chart that tells me that we're ready to go down this instant. So Everybody have a fantastic night. The pivots are attached to this post. We'll be out with the morning webcast. Check out the website. We've got some charts and things up there. We're going to be posting a lot more on there during the day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out the chat room over at the Hammerstone. We got a lot of good things going on. Very excited about all of it, and I hope you will join us. Okay, have a fantastic night, and I'll talk to everybody in the morning.